It's 2020, an awaited year which was predicted as a revolutionary year. Indeed, it has happened so. In this pandemic situation of COVID 19, a technology which has emerged as a boon for mankind is 3D printing. In Italy, this technology came into rescue for hospitals when valves to reanimate medical devices were not available and traditional manufacturing ways were shut. So, the future of working is changing. 3D printing is already changing the way we produce objects. But you are not aware of the different 3D printing techniques out there. Do you want to know what is 3D printing? How and where it can be used? And why you should adopt this revolutionary technology soon? PLANETA 3D knows it all, and so here is video session on Introduction to 3D Printing. In this 1 hour and 34 minutes session, you will get introduced to Industry 4.0. What is 3D printing, 3D designing, 3D scanning, and the best part is that unlike regular sessions, it has 7 different 3D printing processes and 18 different technologies based on each individual process. We at PLANETA 3D are there for you to demystify the technology that's shaping the future. Come and upgrade your knowledge. Change your life, start here.